Everyone knows how to fry an egg, but nobody bakes it. Let's fix humanity. Welcome to the most overcomplicated way to do the simplest task. Tools, egg, ramekin, heat. Yes, it's that dramatic. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Yes, the oven. For an egg, butter your ramekin like it owes you money. Crack the egg. Do it confidently. Eggs can smell fear. Gently. Slide it in. Not like that. Behave. Season lightly. We're cooking an egg, not summoning a demon. Optional step. Add 1 small curl of butter on top for drama and flavor. Now, into the oven. This is the point of no return. Set a timer for 12 minutes. Don't guess. You're not a chef. You're a scientist now. Quick science break. At 65 degrees Celsius, the whites set. At 70 degrees Celsius, the yolk firms. At 95 degrees Celsius, you cry. Add a bowl of hot water to the oven. Steam equals velvety egg. You're welcome. Do not open the oven. Look through the glass like a stalker. Oven dings. Time stops. Open it slowly like a treasure chest. If you did this right, the egg will lift out in one perfect little custard. If you did it wrong, you made sadness. Serve it over toast or straight into your mouth. No judgment. Take a bite. Pretend your life has changed. Why does this work? Because baking an egg is basically sous vide without the water, and because you're insane enough to try it. Common mistake: overbake. If it bounces, you failed. Advanced move: store leftovers in olive oil. They turn into gourmet snacks in 24 hours. Congratulations, you just meal prepped an egg. Try it. Tag me. Show me your baked egg or your disgrace. For legal reasons, don't bake anything else without supervision.